Cosmetic pigments are coloring agents used in makeup products such as nail polish, lipstick, eyeshadow, lip gloss, soap, and other cosmetics. These pigments are quite expensive and not easily available in local markets. Today, I will show you that these pigments can be made at home in an easy and fun way using easily available ingredients at home. So let's get started. First, take a 1 teaspoon of ready-made aloe vera gel in a bowl, then add 1 teaspoon of food color and mix well. This food color is easily available in supermarkets for 5 to 10 rupees. When you're done mixing, add 2 to 3 drops of any facial oil that you have. I am adding almond oil. Now add 1 tablespoon of baby powder or starch and mix well. Now, make some more pigments with the same method, but this time use less brown food coloring to make brown pigments. Now, I'm taking a bit of brown and a bit of red food coloring to make a nice shade of peach pigment. To make a nude light pigment, I'm taking a little brown food coloring and the same amount of other ingredients as before. Look how beautiful it turned out now. I will keep this plate in my living room for 2 days. After 2 days, our pigments are ready. Let's strain these pigments and store in containers for long-term use. I have made some other pigments using the same method. You can also experiment with mixing colors to create different shades. It's a lot of fun. I work so hard to bring you new ideas, so give this video a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. You can comment your challenge in the comment section. I will try to make anything for you and will give you shout out in the end of the video. Please make sure to subscribe for all upcoming videos like this. These pigments are storable for 3 years and are completely safe for anyone to use. Now I will test my homemade pigment. I took aloe vera gel, oil, and my homemade pigments in this small container, and it will turn into a beautiful tint for lips and cheeks. Wow, this is so beautiful. I love it!
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. downfall.
These are my hands in my old videos, and these are my hands how they look now. And this is why I got so many comments what I did for my hands. So in today's video, I will share all my hands care secret. Tip number 1, hands massage. I massage my hands every day before bed. Take an oil, moisturizer, or glycerin to massage your hands. It will moisturize your hands and make your fingers slimmer and give your hands a better shape and relieve headaches. Moreover, hand massage restores balance in the body by removing any blockages. They help you sleep better at night, reduce anxiety, increased flexibility in wrists and fingers, decreased swelling, increases delivery of nutrients to underlying problems. I have been doing it for a year, and the results are very evident. Along with a daily hand massage, I also use a very beneficial home remedy on my hands twice a week. Before I share the recipe, please make sure to subscribe to the video and hit the bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. For home remedy, take 1 tablespoon of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of fresh aloe vera gel. You can also use the market one, but I prefer to use the natural one. 1 tablespoon of tomato juice, ½ teaspoon of lemon juice, some rose water. Mix it well until it turns into a nice paste. You can also add 1 teaspoon of rice powder for better results. Now apply a thin layer of this mixture on your hands like this. You can also apply it on your face and neck. It will give you excellent results in few months. It helps soothe sunburn. It has cooling properties and is anti-inflammatory. Helps to moisturize the skin, boosts healing of wounds, fights skin, aging, reduces infection and acne, lightens blemishes on the skin, and will make your skin 10 times better than before. Once it is completely dry, wash it off. Do this twice a week, and that's it. It will take some time, but trust me, the results are great.
To make these lashes, you can use your broken hair, trimmed hair, makeup brush, shoe brush, or synthetic hair. I will use this makeup brush, so let's get started.